This is how to see your followers on Threads. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, look up Threads and Instagram app, and update and install the app. Once you have updated and ready to go, let's go ahead and open it up. Once we have it opened up, we're going to go in the bottom right to our profile. And the option at the top right under your name should be the amount of followers you have. If you press on that, your list of followers should pop up and you should be able to scroll through your whole list of followers. If you do not see that option, by chance you don't have any followers on Threads yet, or if you do have followers and you just can't view them, go to edit profile right here. And here where it says private profile, go ahead and clip this disabled and then click done, and then go back here and enable it again to see if anything changes. If that doesn't work, go on the top right to those two lines. And here we're going to go to follow and invite friends. And here you can follow or invite your Instagram friends, or you can do it through Instagram message or WhatsApp, whatever the case may be. That is how to see your followers on Threads.